Yes, children. So in the previous class we have studied about tissue systems. We already discussed about tissues. We already also discussed about tissue system, and we have studied that what are the different type of vascular tissues are found. So now it will be easy for us to understand. Okay. So let us study first the anatomy of roots. Roots, as in the previous, that is in the morphology, in the chapter of morphology we study is the part which is actually developed from radicle, and it is mainly responsible for absorption of water and minerals. So that radicle which is developed into root we are going to study here. Okay, so when we talk about the roots, now again there are two type of plant, that is the monocot plant and dicot plant. There is a basic difference found between the monocot and dicot, either in the root or in the stem or in the leaves. So we will be studying them separately. First we will study about the dicot root, then we will study about monocot root, then we will in the same manner we will go on. So if we study about the dicotyledonous roots, which is given here, page number ये जो पेज नंबर, चलो ना आपको क्या करना है पेज नंबर से, पेज नंबर 90. ओके, पेज नंबर 90, 6.3.1 dicotyledonous roots. Page is shared, so you can see here. Now look at the figure 6.6a, 6.6a here. So this is the dicotyledonous root. Now what you can see is the outermost layer, which is shown in the pink color, is the epidermis. Epiblemma is also known as epidermis. Now in the previous class, that is yesterday, when I was talking about the epidermal system, epidermal system, I said the epidermis is covered by a thin layer of wax, that is cuticle, but I said cuticle is absent in roots. Had the cuticle present in the root also, water would have never been able to enter into the roots. So पानी absorb करना तो main काम है root का. So how can it prevent the entry of water? That is why there is no cuticle found in the roots. So question when asked that which part of the plant epidermis is not covered by roots, your answer should be not covered by cuticle. Your answer should be very clear, that is it is root. Okay, the outermost layer, epidermal tissue without cuticle. Large number of root hairs are there. You can see how many root hairs are shown there in a small segment. And we also studied the root hair are unicellular, single cell. Okay, root hair are quite long. That is, if you unplug a plant from a dicot plant from moist soil, you can simply pull it out, and you will find that root hair are around 1 to 1.5 inch long. So quite long it is, quite big it is. One single cell it is. Okay, so largest cells which can be seen by the naked eye, one of the type of cell is root hair. Okay, so that is what, and what are the function of the root hair? We already studied that they are actually increasing the surface area for absorption of water. Just under the root hair, epidermal layer, and outside the endoderm layer. This is epidermis here, and this is endodermis here. Epidermis and endodermis both are shown in the pink color here. Between these two pink color layers, there is a large number of green color, oval, spherical or polygonal cells are present. All these cells have thin cell wall. All of them are having intercellular spaces, clearly visible intercellular spaces. These are the properties of parenchymatous cells. We have studied the parenchyma cells are round, oval, spherical. They are occupying space. They are conspicuous intercellular space, clearly visible intercellular space, and they are empty. They are having no fillings in between them. Okay, so that is all. So all these are parenchyma. No collenchyma or no sclerenchyma. Okay, in the root cortex, this region is called cortex. We have already studied cortex और medulla. दो तरह से हम डिवाइड करते हैं जब भी कोई बॉडी बड़ी होती है. The outer layer are cortex, inner layers are called medulla. So this outer layer is called cortex. Cortex की cells किसकी बनी है? All the cortex cells of the dicot root are made up of parenchyma cells. No collenchyma, no sclerenchyma. The ground tissue is actually made up of three type of cells: the parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. But in the root system, collenchyma and sclerenchyma are not there. It is only and only parenchyma is there. Come to the endodermis. Endodermis are barrel shaped cells, ढोलक के जैसे, ठीक है, ऐसे शेप की सेल्स हैं, और they are forming the inner layer. It is separating the cortex from the vascular tissue, and all the things which are found inside the epidermis are collectively known as stele. S-T-E-L-E, not S-T-E-E-L. वो स्टील तो ये स्टील है, ठीक है. I am not talking about the steel. I am talking about the steel. S-T-E-L-E pronunciation is same, but the spelling is different. तो steel क्या है? That is anything and everything which is found inside the endodermis. ठीक है, उनको हम जो है कलेक्टिवली स्टील कहते हैं. नाउ स्टील के अंदर अगर हम जाएंगे इनसाइड, देन व्हाट वी कैन सी इज दैट द वैस्कुलर टिश्यूज आर अरेंज इन द